Location, Borivali. Welcome guys.
Hello guys, we are going to Oberoi City Mall for Krupesh birthday celebration. So we are going to Roman Mall and then afterwards we'll have our dinner. So see you there in some times. Till then, bye. And so this is our birthday boy, and we're going off to the Sky City Mall of.
Location, Oberoi Sky City Mall, Borivali East.
Hey, we have arrived to Sky City Oberoi Mall, and yeah, a lot of things are open over here. And right now we are in level 1, and then it's level 2, and level 3 is the food court. So we'll be showing you the whole mall, and it's really amazing. See you there. ग्राउंड से ज़्यादा नीचे वो ग्राउंड I think Starbucks is also, Rado is also coming. It's really nice. मेट्रो भी है, इर्थ भी है, हाउस ऑफ टाइटन, कृष्णा, तनिष्क भी है, कैरेट लेन भी है. वो यार तू नहीं મને લાગે છે એ લોકોએ એવી રીતના ડિઝાઇન કર્યું છે. આઈ થિંક સો. આઈ એમ નોટ શ્યોર અબાઉટ ધીસ.
पेंटालून्स इज कमिंग होते हैं.
પાટલી નાની શોપ હશે પેન્ટાલૂન્સની. Turkish brand name is Zenmani's. I think so because ત્યાં બી લખ્યું છે. ત્યાં નહીં, ત્યાં એવું લખ્યું છે બહુ બધી, પણ મેઇન બ્રાન્ચીસ ઇન્ડિયા અને ટર્કી છે. ચલ barcode. Go Colors. Miniso is also closed right now. Huh? Miniso.
Many brands are going to come over here.
Yes. Which is this brand?
Aditya Birla clothing.
Oh,
Peter England, Park Avenue, Blackberry.
should I see something in Vapors? Ah. Color Plus is also there. Enamore is also there. Wow. You can, huh? Go. This is Snitch. Hello. Thank you. Something spirituality. Which is something funny, goofy. सरस છે યાર. You want to say something?
No, I'm enjoying over here.
What's this?
Do you like this?
Yes, I loved it.
I'm happy you like it. Be careful.
Time zone is going to come over here. Here's Taco Bell. Asian Kitchen is only the one we can go over. Yay, my favorite Asian Kitchen. ये भगत ताराचंद भी है.
Not yet.
But it's going to open soon. Yeah, it's like the best mall I have ever seen. Palladium is also obviously nice, but over here there is no such malls. And yes, now it's happened. The mall is open for us to visit. The MOD is also there. PF Chang's is also there. Wow, it's Chinese.
Yes, Chinese.
So we should head over to Inox, PVR Inox experience. You wanna go?
Pizza time.
Showtime. Where we are heading to?
Let's see some food outlets where we
Food
can.
outlets, and before that we have to go to Inox to just see if the tickets are available.
Sure.
4DX. This is the second time we are going to 4DX. First time we went to see that Dune part 2 or part 1 something.
That's fun.
Yeah. The mall is just open and it's crowd is too less for you. I love Subway. I like Chinese.
It's not.
Victorinox, na? It's just opening up. It's not open. Bookathon, Crossword. Crossword is also there here. Yeah. South Bombay. Nom Nom Express. The Chinese one. Chinese. New York Pizza. I want to go for the Sbarro. Taco Bell is over here. It's opened already. Taco Bell.
Yeah. Do you want to have Taco Bell or burger?
I'll have good sipping burgers after this.
Okay.
We have ordered. So what we have ordered for now?
Farmyard pizza.
Okay. We'll have good sipping burgers, good burgers we will have. Which burger do you like?
I'll have a look at the options over here. You like
So what is
cheeseburger?
your, I want to ask you something, what is your favorite brand till now, what you have seen over here in Opera Mall?
Okay. Related to food?
Both, in food as well as shopping.
Shopping, there are many brands. There's too many options over
You
here.
have to select any one favorite.
There are too many options.
Any one favorite you have to select.
There are too many options. And I think many more brands would become.
Yeah. But for now we have seen, so what's your favorite one? I love Skechers and this whole store.
Yeah, Soul Store is a good thing
Yeah.
to buy. Then we had seen many jewelry shops.
Yeah. Which one you like?
There are many. Ganesh.
I like Carrot Lane. Zen was also nice.
Just
I like Swarovski also, yes. Swarovski, awesome.
what is the food outlet you like over here?
Food outlet, I didn't like the Bombay Street, I feel.
Do you like sabzi?
I like Subway, but when we are on diet for one day.
I have never seen you eating sabzi. You are never on diet. You are never on diet.
डाइटली हम लोग का भेव जाना खाता था वो Subway. Like she was the first one to introduce me to the Subway stuff and everything. So I felt it was nice. The salads are really
It's a good option to have
healthy and
food.
nutritious. Yeah.
You can have that.
Yeah.
But I think every day is a cheat day, so you don't like sabzi.
I can't have diet. So it was like too boring to have diet. અને હું થોડો ટાઈમ લાગે 10 ચલ વધારે 4 hours 5 hours હું ડાયટ કરી શકું પણ પછી ફરીથી મને ભૂખ લાગી જાય મને મન થઈ જાય
What were they? And say
મન થઈ જાય
I
ફરીથી
can't go for dietitian now because I can't follow the diet.
No, I can go for diet, but
No, you
if
can't.
someone is there to control me, yeah, you have to eat this, you have to eat that and all, then I can do dieting stuff.
You should
So I
have,
can consult dietitian for that.
you have, should have a
Definitely.
self-control for that.
So
to-
ધીરે ધીરે આવે યાર તું એમ કે એક દિવસમાં ચલ આમ સેલ્ફ કંટ્રોલ આમ તેમ લઈ આવી ઇટ્સ વેરી ડિફિકલ્ટ
Okay. So friend, when you will start to following some diet or
when
have healthy food options?
I will do it slowly
From tomorrow?
steady, from tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. You also have to do diet. We'll
Sure.
go do diet.
Sure.
Diet માં શું કરે?
Yeah.
તું શું ખાશે diet માં? What do you prefer more in diet?
veggies,
sprouted
vegetables,
salads or something,
salads, fruits.
peas and everything, right?
Everything. We can have. We can make some healthy veggies.
Keto salad. We
Yeah.
had the one keto salad. Yeah.
I like that.
I really like that. It was yogurt. I think I forgot the name. Keto salad name also. It was Power Pack keto salad, but the yogurt dressing was really nice. It was something different, like feta cheese. Yeah, feta cheese yogurt dressing. It was.
Now it's time to have some food.
Yeah, I think they have given us this. They have given us this, and it will vibrate, and our order is ready to serve. It's not vibrating. Definitely, it's time.
So we will come back when we have something on our plate. Till
Yeah.
then, bye. Do a crispy look for you.
So it was really great experience, and we really enjoyed our day. So this is how we have completed our day. And we visited Oberoi Mall and we enjoyed a lot. And now we are signing off. See you till then in the next vlog. Till then, bye.
Bye, guest.